Now the third form to obtain the equation of line, that is known as 2-point form, as its name is already clear in the explanation. 2 point, that's mean how to find the equation of a line if it is passing through two given points. Suppose coordinates in the first situation, say A, are x1 y1, and coordinates in the second situation are x2 y2. So if a line is passing through 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2, then what is the formula for obtaining the equation of this line? Before I tell you the result, I would like to tell you how we find the slope of a line if it is passing through 2 points if angle is not given. The formula of the slope if a line is passing through 2 points x1 y1 is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. But if I say I go to check what is 1 point form, it is y minus y1 is equals to m times of x minus x1. It means what? If slope is not given and it is given that line is passing through 2 points, then we will use this value y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 in place of m. So actual formula of the 2-point form will be y minus y1 is equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 times of x minus x1. That is, only what change is made in place of m. In place of m in the 1-point form, the result y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 is placed. Also, in place of these x1 y1 I am using here, you can use x2 y2 also, because any of the point can be first. So that's why y minus y1 is equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 times of x minus x1 is the formula for getting the equation of a line in the 2-point form. This will become you more clear if I take one of the example based on this situation. That is, if this is the line L, it is passing through minus 3 comma 2, these are x1 y1, and suppose also passing through 2 comma 7. So I can say here answer of x1 is minus 3 and y1 is 2. x2 is 2 and y2 is 7. Situation is this is the pair first and this is the pair second. We know that first of all we must obtain the slope m. We have two methods of obtaining the slope m. One, the tan theta, if we know that what angle line is making with the positive direction of x-axis, then tan theta. Otherwise, we can apply y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 in case if we know that line is passing through which points, given 2 points. y2 minus y1, that is 7 minus 2 upon x2 minus x1, x2 is 2 minus of minus 3, 2 minus of minus 3. That become 5 upon 5. So the slope of this line m become 1. Now formula is y minus y1 is equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 times of x minus x1. So y minus y1, that is 2, y1 is 2, is equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Its answer is 1. Into x minus x1, that is x minus of minus 3, that is x plus 3. So this become x minus y plus 5 is equals to 0. This is the equation of this line which is passing through two given points.